It's always good to see on the sun on a Monday, especially the temperature we're having today, Ted.
I mean, given the situation, the really cold air we're dealing with, you take what you can get. And what we have going for us right now, a lot of sunshine and almost no wind. And that is a blessing in both regards. We can be very grateful for that. We've had worse. We've had wind. We've had things coming out of the sky. In fact, very early this morning, we had some light snow showers. That's around 2 o'clock this morning, about 1/10 of an inch of snow here at KTTC, and even some flurries beyond that. We had some clouds, and then watched the sun slowly reemerge, brightening skies as we look at time lapse looking toward the west with our Lewiston auto camera. Now a bright, sun-filled midday here on this Monday, on our way to the single digits above zero. Right now, Austin struggling to get there at this hour. Rochester at 0. This is as warm as we've been in now exactly 48 hours. Last time we were as warm as 0 was noon on Saturday. We had actually a high of 1, and that was just afternoon for about 10 minutes. We made our way up to 1 and dropped right back with a few passing clouds back into the sub-zero category. So it's been a while. We're due for something on the positive side. Right now, a degree below 0 still at this hour on the weather patio as we look outside from our studio with our Lewiston auto camera. Winds light, 5 miles per hour, 11 below the current wind chill. Air pressure rising, high pressure coming in. That's going to make for a sunnier, relatively calm situation. So we can take what we can get out of that. But it's going to be very cold high pressure. 0 in Rochester, 2 degrees below 0 Dodge Center. Mason City 1 below, it's 3 in Winona, 2 in Cresco. Again, it feels like 0 as the winds are almost completely calm. 3 miles per hour officially at the airport. And compared to this time yesterday, a whole lot better. We had a high of 5 below 0 yesterday, a morning low of 20 below. So it was very cold on Sunday. Not very windy, thankfully, but very cold. And we're 9 degrees warmer now in Rochester, 5 degrees warmer in Mason City. So we're moving in the right direction, I think. A couple of flurries still possible later this week. We may even see 1 or 2 yet today as some energy remains nearby in the region. And bitterly cold weather will remain the rule throughout the week. Just a few passing clouds today. We're watching a number of little clipper systems move through parts of Iowa, coming out of the Rockies and then diving down through Nebraska and Iowa. That's the primary storm track right now. High pressure remains the dominant force in our area, and that's going to be with us for days. It may be with us the entire week, keeping a lot of the activity south of us, or I mean high and dry, basically, under high pressure with very cold weather. 0 in Rochester, 9 right now in Duluth. It's a whole lot better. International Falls was 30 below 0 early this morning. It's now only 11 below, so it's getting warmer there. And 7 in Kansas City, Chicago, 12. Outlook for the rest of the day, some sunshine, very light winds, 2 degrees, hovering there through the afternoon, then dropping back to around 10 or 11 below 0 later tonight, which again is typical of what we're going to be seeing over the rest of the week. High temperatures tomorrow back into the single digits. So here's future track. There's that high pressure. It sticks around through today, moving very little, and it's not going to move very much tonight either. And then tomorrow, moving very little. We're looking ahead to Tuesday. High pressure nearby, very light winds, plenty of sun. In fact, more sun tomorrow than today, maybe even a couple degrees warmer. And a few passing clouds come in for Wednesday, and eventually a couple of flurries may drift in with that energy on Thursday. That activity stays south of us, grazing the area. The primary storm track stays south at Arctic high pressure, and that really cold air continues to be planted in the region. This is a longer outlook for the upper level winds, and now a lot of that is being diverted southward. A lot of that cold air in our area, all the activity stays south, and the temperatures all week long well below the seasonal average in the single digits, if not sub-zero single digit level. 2 degrees in Rochester today, 1 in Austin, 2 in Lake City. A lot of sunshine, a few passing clouds, but not much wind. Wind chill 5 to 15 below 0. Partly cloudy, 11 below tonight, similar to what we had last night with wind chill levels in the teens below 0. 6 tomorrow, some sunshine and not much wind. In the 7-day forecast, a few flurries Thursday. Watching a storm system Friday into Saturday that may impact the area, but recent data is suggesting that may stay well south, that high pressure dominating our area. So we'll just stick with the cold sun right to the weekend, even into President's Day, which may be a negative President's Day.
Oh my, it's quite a trend here. Thank you, Ted.